I had a question regarding why I selected each individual repeat on the side when I did that video on using the fill inside. Well, I'm going to show you why I did it that way. The question was, why didn't I just select all of the repeats along this side that I needed to and do the fill? Well, there's a good reason. What I'm going to do is select a couple of repeats on this side, do the fill, and show you what all happens. I'm going to select this first repeat. I'm going to zoom in here, select this repeat, do a fill inside, and I can do this way or using the icon. I'm just going to escape out of that. See, I don't need all these along the side, so I'm going to select some of these and get rid of them. And just delete all of those. Now I can do the fill as I go down. I really don't need this one or this. Delete all of those. But I do need to do fill here along this side. So I've used this first one, and I'll select the next one, and I'll do the fill inside. And what I'm going to do is just go along and check to see what happens if I do things differently. To make this go quick, I'm going to show you what would happen when I stitch this out. I didn't need all this over here or down below, so I just eliminated it. I'm going to hit virtual stitch out. I'm going to show you how this part would stitch out. And I'm going to press the plus key to increase the speed of this so it goes along rather quickly. See, it'll start there and it'll come back and it'll stitch that one, come back and stitch that one, then back and stitch that one. Okay, now I'm going to escape out of that. So that's how it would work. It would stitch a row, come back, stitch a row, come back, stitch a row. Now, if I decided I was going to draw a box, and if I was going to include all of this down through here to say that point right there, and I select everything there, I do the fill inside, it's calculating, it's finished, and here's what happens. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to get rid of my boundary so you can see. You see these lines, these black lines? Those are stitchable lines. Now I'm going to go in virtual stitch out and show you what would happen. It's going to go there, there, it's going to stitch right down the edge of that and go back and start stitching all of this other stuff. That's why you can't do that, is because it connects everything together that you have selected and did the fill with. So you have to do those on the sides individually to prevent that from happening. I know it will do this because I've had it do this. So that's why I made that video, and that's why I showed. See, I can do all the fills down this left side, one repeat at a time, one row at a time. And then I can do the same thing down the right side. But I cannot draw a box and do all the fills on one side because of the way it connects everything together.